Get ready to say goodbye to overweight luggage woes and hello to stress-free travel. We're about to dive deep into the world of smart packing, and trust me, you'll be a packing ninja by the end of this video. First things first, let's talk about those pesky airline baggage policies. They can be confusing, I know, but understanding them is key to avoiding those dreaded fees. We're talking about serious money here, people, especially on those long-haul flights where every pound counts. It's like they think we're made of money, right? Well, we're about to show them that we're smarter than that. Now you've got your checked bags, your carry-ons, and your personal items. Each airline and ticket type comes with its own set of rules and weight limits, and it's enough to make your head spin. But don't worry, we're going to break it all down, easy peasy. Checked bags, those are the big boys you hand over at the counter, hoping for the best. They usually have the most generous weight limits, but don't get too excited, there's always a catch. These limits can vary wildly depending on the airline and where you're flying. We're talking anywhere from 40 to 60 pounds, sometimes even less. It's like a game show. What's the baggage allowance? Place your bets. Next up, we have the carry-on, your trusty sidekick that you get to lug through the airport. This little guy is great for keeping your essentials close, but it comes with its own set of size restrictions. You know, those metal bins they make you shove your bag into? Talk about a workout. Most airlines allow you one carry-on bag plus a personal item, like a purse or backpack. And speaking of personal items, that's where things get really interesting. This could be your purse, your backpack, your laptop bag, or even a small shopping bag. It's amazing what you can fit in there when you put your mind to it. But remember, size matters, my friends. Make sure it fits under the seat in front of you, unless you're planning on doing a balancing act throughout the entire flight. Now I know what you're thinking. Ellen, this is all too much to remember. But fear not, my travel buddies, because most airlines have all this information laid out on their websites and apps. It's usually pretty easy to find. Just look for the baggage information or baggage allowance section. And if you're still feeling lost, just give their customer service line a call. They're usually pretty friendly, especially if you're nice to them. Remember, a little kindness goes a long way. So there you have it, the basics of airline baggage policies. It may seem like a lot, but trust me, once you get the hang of it, it's a piece of cake. Or should I say, a piece of luggage. Get it? Okay, I'll stop with the jokes, for now. Alright, now that we've conquered those baggage policies, let's move on to the fun part, packing. And no, I'm not talking about cramming your entire closet into your suitcase. We're going for quality over quantity, people. Smart packing is all about making strategic choices and maximizing every square inch of space. Think of it as a game, a fun and exciting challenge to see how much you can fit into your suitcase without going over the weight limit. My first tip for packing like a pro is to invest in some packing cubes. These little lifesavers will change your travel life, I'm telling you. Packing cubes are like magic organizers that compress your clothes and keep everything neat and tidy. Plus, they make finding things so much easier. No more digging through your entire suitcase for that one sock. When it comes to choosing your wardrobe, versatility is key. Stick to neutral colors that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. And don't forget about accessories. A scarf or a statement necklace can instantly dress up a simple outfit. It's all about creating different looks with minimal items. Another one of my favorite packing tips is to roll your clothes. That's right. Instead of folding them, roll them up tightly. This not only saves space, but also helps prevent wrinkles. It's a win-win situation. Shoes can be a bit of a space hog, so try to limit yourself to 2 or 3 pairs at most. Wear your bulkiest shoes on the plane and pack the others in shoe bags to protect your clothes from dirt. And here's a little bonus tip: stuff socks or small items inside your shoes to maximize space. Toiletries can also take up a lot of room, so I always recommend using travel-sized containers. You can find these at any drugstore, and they're perfect for packing your favorite toiletries without taking up too much space. And don't forget about those TSA regulations. All liquids, gels, and aerosols must be 3.4 ounces or less, and stored in a quart-sized, clear, zip-top bag. Trust me, you don't want to be the one holding up the security line because you forgot to pack your shampoo correctly. Remember, packing light is all about being mindful and strategic. Make a list of everything you think you need, and then cut it in half. Trust me, you can survive a week with less than you think. And if you do happen to forget something, don't worry. You can always buy it at your destination. It's all part of the adventure, right? So you've mastered the art of packing light, but what about those pesky baggage fees? Don't worry, my friends, I've got you covered. There are plenty of ways to outsmart the fee monster and keep your hard-earned cash in your pocket. First and foremost, let's talk about carry-on strategy. Remember that free personal item? That, my friends, is your secret weapon. Instead of packing your purse or backpack with just the essentials, try fitting in some of your heavier items, like toiletries or shoes. This can help free up space in your carry-on bag and potentially avoid having to check a bag altogether. Another great tip is to take advantage of online check-in. Most airlines allow you to check in online 24 hours before your flight and select your seat. And here's the kicker. You can often prepay for any checked bags you may have during online check-in, which can sometimes be cheaper than paying at the airport. It's like a little reward for being organized. Now let's talk about loyalty programs. If you're a frequent traveler, it's definitely worth signing up for your favorite airline's loyalty program. These programs often come with perks like free checked bags, priority boarding, and even lounge access. Plus, you'll earn miles every time you fly, which you can redeem for free flights and other goodies. It's a win-win. And here's a little insider tip. Consider shipping your luggage ahead of time. Yes, you heard that right. There are companies that specialize in shipping luggage directly to your destination. This can be a great option if you're traveling with a lot of gear, or if you simply want to avoid the hassle of lugging heavy bags through the airport. It's a bit of a splurge, but it can be worth it for the convenience, especially if you're traveling for a special occasion. Remember, a little planning and strategic thinking can go a long way when it comes to avoiding baggage fees. So be smart, be prepared, and don't let those fees put a damper on your travel adventures. All right, my fellow travelers, we've talked about airline baggage policies, we've learned how to pack like pros, and we've even uncovered some sneaky ways to avoid those pesky baggage fees. But before we wrap things up, I want to leave you with the ultimate packing checklist. This handy-dandy checklist will ensure that you never forget a thing and that you're always prepared for whatever adventures come your way. First things first, the essentials. Your passport, visa, if required, driver's license, boarding pass, and confirmation for any accommodations, flights, or tours you may have booked. These are the VIPs of your travel documents, so make sure they're kept safe and sound. I like to keep them in a separate travel wallet or pouch for easy access. Next up, technology. Your phone, charger, laptop, headphones, and any other gadgets you can't live without. Let's be real, we're all addicted to our devices these days, so it's important to keep them powered up and ready to go. And don't forget an adapter if you're traveling internationally. Now let's talk about clothes. Remember, pack light and versatile. Stick to neutral colors that can be mixed and matched, and choose items that can be dressed up or down with accessories. Don't forget comfortable shoes for walking, a swimsuit if you're headed to a sunny destination, and a light jacket or sweater for those chilly evenings. Toiletries are another must-have. Remember those travel-size containers we talked about? This is where they come in handy. Pack your favorite shampoo, conditioner, body wash, toothpaste, toothbrush, deodorant, sunscreen, and any other toiletries you use on a regular basis. And last but not least, don't forget the fun stuff. A good book, your favorite magazine, a deck of cards, or any other entertainment you enjoy. And of course, you can't forget your camera to capture all those amazing travel memories. Now, I know what you're thinking. Ellen, this is a lot to remember, but don't worry, I've got you covered. I've created a downloadable version of this ultimate packing checklist that you can save to your phone or print out and keep handy. You can find it in the description box below. You're welcome. So there you have it, my friends. You're now officially armed with the knowledge and tools to conquer those pesky luggage fees and pack like a pro. Remember, it's all about being smart, strategic, and always prepared. And most importantly, don't forget to have fun. Traveling is all about exploring new places, experiencing different cultures, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. So pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready for an adventure. And remember, if your luggage does happen to get lost or delayed, just laugh it off and embrace the unexpected. It's all part of the journey, right? Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay tuned for more travel tips and tricks. And until next time, happy travels.